Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made $0 trading the Nasdaq. Today is the 15th of June. Let's get right into it. As usual, let's start with the higher time frame. On the 4-hour we can clearly see that we were bullish, and so that was my bias over the day. We can clearly see that price was continuously going higher, respecting bullish gaps and disrespecting bearish ones. What I did not like on the higher time frame is that on the 4-hour price before market opened was inside this bearish 4-hour gap. So I was a bit hesitant about taking maybe longs on the day, but I was thinking, yeah, probably it might retrace to this hourly 4-hour gap right here and then continue. So that was also a key indicator of today's trade for me. I wanted maybe to see price go down here on the 4-hour and then continue the trend. If we go on the hourly chart, nothing much changes. I did not like this low resistance liquidity here. There was a bunch of low resistance liquidity here, the hourly time frame. So I was thinking, yeah, that's not too good. Price could open higher and dump all the way down here, retracing into this hourly and 4-hour gap, and maybe take out the new week opening gap. But the new week opening gap was not a concern of mine. I was more looking about this hourly and 4-hour gap here. Coming on the 15-minute, we can see even more low resistance liquidity right here. So right before the market opened, I put myself a condition that I wanted to see either longs on this 15-minute if price went down here and it respected, targeting this hourly gap above, or if price opened higher, take out this swing high inside this hourly gap on the left, and then maybe target a 930 PDI towards this 15-minute gap. So I waited for market to open and absolutely nothing happened what I wanted to see. Price continually went higher without a retrace. This here is the 15-minute gap that I wanted to see price react to, but instead it went straight up. It went to the hourly, to my drawn liquidity, to my target in the beginning. But if I don't mistaken, yeah, exactly, here was the 930. Let's go back a few candles for taking out the hourly gap. There was a retrace on the 5-minute, I think. Exactly. So if we go on the 30 seconds back here, we can clearly see that there was a mitigation to a 5-minute with an extremely strong reaction. So this was my entry at 940. I saw that there was extremely strong reaction, but the problem with this trade were two. I was a bit hesitant, first because it was 930, so I was thinking maybe price could inverse this and or go maybe resweep it and then wait for higher time frame gap opening and then go to my target. So I wanted to see a CISD here. After seeing price being so bullish, I entered, and unluckily, or because of my fault, price was so fast and so volatile that it took out instantly my break-even point. So I went basically break-even after like 20 seconds, not even 20 seconds, and it stopped me out because price was so volatile. I couldn't go break even right there, but I went like here and I lost around $50. I traded on my evaluation and it was a 1% risk. I traded around $500, but yeah, this was a break-even day. I lost a bit of money because of the fees and I couldn't close earlier. And yeah, this was the only trade I took today. If we continue, we can clearly see that if we go on the 10 time frame, that price was choppy. and nothing special I wanted. There was no real trade I wanted to take. There was, I think, if we go in the 1 minute, exactly this 1 minute, but I never took it because even though I waited for the CIST, it was 10:26, and even though this is a valid trade, so whoever took it, congrats on your trade, but I did not take it simply because of one reason, that it was near 10:30, and if we go on the 30-minute candle, there was a 30-minute gap that was formed right after. So I did not want to enter and maybe wait for resweep and one last and then push higher. But sadly there was no push higher, so today I got a break-even day, and yeah, sometimes it happens. Hopefully tomorrow I can get another win and continue my winning streak. If you guys have any questions or doubts, or you want to share me some advice, feel free to do it. I will listen and answer all your questions and comments. As usual, God bless and see you hopefully tomorrow.